Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 dash cams. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Number 5. Best Budget Camera. Nexar Beam. The Nexar Beam is our pick as the best budget dash cam. Tiny and easily concealable behind the rearview mirror, the camera records crisp 1080p video and comes equipped with a suction cup mount and built-in GPS. Multiple internal memory options between 32GB and 256GB are available for you to choose from, giving you up to 36 hours of recording. And optional sticker mounts are available for vehicles with flat windshields such as trucks and RVs. Drive relaxed knowing your trip is recorded to the app and backed up for free to your unlimited Nexar Cloud account. And rest assured knowing the camera will protect your car 24/7 even when you're not there. In case of an impact, the dashcam will start recording automatically, and Nexar emergency alerts will send your connected smartphone to the location, dashcam video, and a one-tap link to dispatch 911. Generate an accident report within seconds and easily submit insurance claims using sensor data like speed, location, impact force, and the dashcam video. Can't find your car? No worries. The camera app can show you your parking location and navigate you directly to your car, or simply ask Siri, "Where did I park?" Additionally, the camera receives software updates with new features over the air, meaning your dashcam gets more powerful every week. If you're looking for a budget option that gets the job done, and done well, the Nexar Beam is a great choice. Number 4. Best Dual View Camera. VanTrue N2 Pro. The VanTrue N2 Pro is our selection as the best dashcam with dual views. With a 170-degree front camera and a 140-degree rear camera, the dashcam is capable of dual 1080p recording at 30 FPS and can capture the front and inside the cabin simultaneously. If you don't need cabin recordings, the advanced OV4689 lens is capable of 2.5K recording at 30 FPS or 1080p recording at 60 FPS. Its front camera with an f1.8 6-glass lens and unique HDR video system automatically balances the light and dark areas of the video, while the Sony IMX323 sensor and rear camera with f2.0 6-glass lens plus 4 IR LED greatly enhances night vision inside the car. Seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling the storage to capacity. A variable sensitivity G sensor auto-detects sudden shakes or collisions and locks the footage to prevent that video from being overwritten. The dashcam supports up to 256GB SD card, nearly 24 hours of recording. A built-in microphone and speaker allows you to capture high-quality audio without distortion, and can be turned off when you don't need to record audio. Additional features include a parking mode, which begins recording when the camera detects motion, time-lapse to record events over a long period of time, and an optional GPS to track your driving route, location, and speed. If you're looking for an option to capture both inside and outside of your vehicle, the VanTrue N2 Pro will surely please. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best Compact Camera. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is our recommendation as the best compact dashcam. This car key-size dashcam is remarkably compact and sports an unobtrusive design, with 2 power cable options of upward or downward routing for a tidy and discreet installation. Its 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics lets you record important details, day and night, in 1080p video. Once plugged into your vehicle's power source, the camera will begin automatic recording, so you can just set it and forget it. The incident detection feature lets the camera automatically save video from just before, during, and after the incident to help capture a full recording of the event. Voice control lets you keep your hands on the wheel and use commands to tell the camera to save video, start and stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. Saved videos are stored securely in the online vault for 24 hours and can be accessed using the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone and shared with others. The app lets you access the camera remotely for live view monitoring, and the parking guard feature will monitor activity around your vehicle, then send an alert to the app when an incident is detected. Its included charger has an extra USB port so you can power the camera and keep your phone charged. Important to note, the dashcam requires at least an 8GB microSD Class 10 or faster. That's not included with the device. If you're looking for a compact option, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is worth checking out. Number 2. Runner-up, Garmin Dashcam 57. The Garmin Dashcam 57 is the runner-up on our list. Equipped with a 140-degree lens and combined with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, you'll be able to record 1440p video and play back the video right on the device with the 2-inch LCD display. Plug in the camera to your vehicle's power source to begin automatic recording. Incident detection will automatically save the video when it detects an incident, and the built-in GPS will stamp the recorded video with location details for proof of when and where the events occurred. To encourage safer driving, you'll get forward collision warnings when the camera detects that you're driving too closely to the vehicle ahead. Lane departure warnings will notify you if you drift off the road or cross a center line, and go alerts will let you know when stop traffic in front of you has started to move. Subscription plans for red light cameras and speed cameras alerts are also available. Condense hours of driving into minutes of highlights and create a fun video to share easily with your friends using the travel lapse features. Use voice control to tell the camera to save video, start and stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. Saved videos are stored securely in the online vault for 24 hours and can be accessed and shared with others using the Garmin Drive app. Live View lets you remotely monitor your vehicle from the app, and Parking Guard monitors activity around your parked vehicle and sends alerts to the app. The included charge has an extra USB port for charging your phone, and the device comes with a 16GB micro SD and is ready to use right out of the box. If you're looking for a camera full of great features, the Garmin Dashcam 57 checks all the boxes. Before we continue, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icon to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for more info. Number 1. Best Overall Camera, Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW tops our list as the best overall dash cam. With 4K image quality that records at 30 FPS, the camera captures finer detail with stunning results. As the world's first dashcam to use What 3 Words technology, the camera can pinpoint your vehicle to a 10-foot square location, which can then be shared with emergency services or roadside assistance, even without a data connection. Digital image stabilization reduces vibrations from your vehicle, ensuring crystal clear, smooth image quality that reveals the details you need, from license plates to road signs. Control your dashcam on the move with Amazon Alexa. Ask Alexa to play music, place calls, listen to audiobooks, hear the news, check the weather, control smart home devices, get directions, find parking, and more. In the event of an accident, Nextbase Emergency SOS can alert emergency services of your location and provide emergency responders with your blood type, allergies, and other preset medical history to help facilitate emergency treatment. View your footage in super slow motion at 1080p and 120 FPS. This feature is ideal to help identify what happens in an incident and capture details like license plates, vital for proving fault. Additional features include enhanced night vision, which is able to record all the critical details even in the darkest roads. Extreme weather mode, which uses inbuilt algorithms to provide the clearest image, and intelligent parking mode, which will record any bump or physical movement on the vehicle when left unattended. The device also features module compatibility with the rear window cam, car rear view camera, and cabin view cam. If you're looking for a dash cam that can do it all, the Nextbase 622GW is it. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.